goodness, how's everybody doing? Well, I haven't been filming for a while because my phone was out of space and I finally got it all cleared off, so here's what I've been working on. Alright, so we got the blue 56 Chevy truck back in here. So I have a new steering column for it and our new drop. We're going to raise it up a little bit more. He said it was a little bit too low with that drop, so it's a 3-inch drop, or no, it's a 4-inch drop. I believe we're going to a 3-inch. Then we're going to pull the column out a little bit further, so I got a new D-rod to make it a little longer. That's going to be a fun project because the lower mount is under the carpet and it's all glued down. So should have went with the good steering column at first. Tried to save a buck, and now we're gonna spend a few more to get it right. So here we go. Got the ignition switch fixed. Backup cameras all hooked up. I'm trying to figure out why the camera wasn't working. It was hooked up to the wrong port on the stereo, so put it in reverse. Oop, reverse. Let's see that. Been working on the bed wood. Put a bunch of rev nuts in. And now I need to make some strips that go across here in these 3 spots. So that's what I've been working on. Got my 3 strips cut and marked. Drill them on the drill press real quick. And we'll get this bedwood installation started. Even though it's been a couple days here, I've been working on this, and I ordered a bunch of parts. I got the new compressor on for the air ride. I'm just waiting for some parts for the line. Just knocking things off the list here. Alright, we got one done here. Bunch of rev nuts in there. So, nice if we could magically just... Come on. It's done, Rusty. Well, we got one done. Alright, now we're done. That was easy. Alright, so now I'm going to clean all the oil off of these things and just get a protective coat of paint on them so they don't rust. And we'll go ahead and install it. Alright, now that we got them all clean, let's go ahead and get some paint on. Oh, they're painting. Okay, well that was easy. Stop and take a break and kind of show you guys what I got going here. Since I haven't been videoing. So, these have all been clearance so I can hide my castle bolts underneath. I don't like them sticking through. I want them as smooth as possible, so we did all that. So those sit down there. Now what we're going to do is we'll get our first strip kind of set in there, bring this up, and we'll get a bolt started. And we'll do the same on this side, and maybe one in the middle, and that way we can put the rest of our wood in and it'll hold our strips up for us. Start the rest of our bolts. And once we get it in, what the nice part about this is bolting them from the top. If we ever need to access anything, we can just pull some bolts out, pull a piece of wood out and access it. Not have to get under the truck and loosen nuts and worry about losing hardware down the road. This is just a much better way to do it. It's a lot of work, but not too bad. We'll get back to it, shall we? finally got them all installed, and I drilled all these holes last because I wanted to make sure everything was where it goes before I drilled those, obviously, because if you drill those first, none of this is going to ever fit. So always drill those last. And these I didn't put rev nuts on, rivet nuts, because I didn't know how the placement was going to end up in the end anyways, and they're really difficult to get underneath there, obviously, with this L bracket there. So tighten up some bolts and call it a day. Alright guys, there you have it. Close to this wood so you can see it. Oh guys, I just gotta clean up my mess. That's about it for today, and then tomorrow probably, I don't know if I'm gonna work on this tomorrow. I think I have some other stuff to do, so we'll get that steering column in the next couple days. Then we're just waiting on a few things and this thing will be done. Ready to go hit some car shows. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Yeah, I haven't been filming much lately. I've been pretty darn busy getting a lot of things ready for the move. Moving up to Idaho, so trying to get things all in order for that and finish this truck, get the black truck back running. Chevelle has a little work that I still have to do on it, and the 56 is coming back from paint supposedly in a couple days. We'll see about that. So I gotta get all these cars done before I leave, and I want to leave now, so we gotta hurry up and get these cars done. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll try and bring you some more footage here. It's a little tight right now. I don't have a lot of time to film, so probably going to be some time-lapse montages and stuff. So just if you guys be patient with me, and once I get up to the farm in Idaho, we're going to have some killer stuff coming up, so cool footage. So until then, we'll just keep doing this and just look forward to the future. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe, like, share it, and we'll see you next time.